Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Log into your funded Pepperstone account, confirm whether you'll use demo or live, and note the exact MT5 server name. Once done, download the MT5 client for your platform or install the mobile app. Make sure to choose the Pepperstone build. Next, copy your account login, password, and server details into MT5 login dialog. This ensures the platform connects properly and avoids delays when you move on to configuring charts and orders. You'll now configure MT5 for trading, open MarketWatch, add the instruments you need, and drag them onto charts. Once chart windows are open, select timeframes, attach indicators, and fine-tune visual templates. Save a template so you can recreate the layout in seconds. Then create profiles to group multiple charts, enable tick charts or market depth for advanced liquidity insight, and adjust scaling. These steps make your analysis reproducible and reduce cognitive load when markets move quickly. You finish by executing trades and managing risk. Open the new order dialog, choose market or pending, set volume, stop loss, and take profit. Use trailing stops or OCO orders to automate exits and calculate position size so risk equals your target percentage per trade. If orders fail or prices are stale, first confirm the exact server and login credentials, check your internet, and restart MT5. If problems persist, contact Pepperstone support with your account details and a screenshot for faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.